Welcome back to Studio 10, y'all. Well, with the coronavirus pandemic shutting many businesses down temporarily, many folks are looking for projects to do at home. I visited A Bloom Garden Center a few weeks ago to learn how to properly pot a plant and how to update my flower beds. Check it out. We are here at A Bloom Garden Center, and this place is incredible. We are here with Noelle Steele. Beautiful. So this is one of my first times here, and you guys offer so much.
We certainly do. We offer full trees and fruit and organically grown vegetables and herbs. We also have a variety of houseplants, including succulents. We have seasonal color, as you can see up here. We have some tropicals. We pretty much have it all, and if we don't, we can try to find it for you.
That's right, y'all. This place is amazing. So we are really excited to jump in today. We're learning. You're going to do a demonstration for us.
I certainly am. Today I'm going to pot up a colorful combination called a combo pot. This one is for shade, and what you have to remember when you do a combo pot is you need a thriller, a filler, and then a spiller. And that just brings some entrance, a different interest to the pot, and it's not just all one thing. And a good quality pot is a solid investment. You want to look for one with a good drainage hole. So I have my saucer pot here. This one is probably meant for viewing from all sides. It would be really nice like on your patio table or you know, on a sidewalk or something where you can walk by it. You want something that's kind of chunky and with some fine ground pine bark in there, and you don't want peat moss sticking to the roots of your plants. So you want to look for something that has this kind of drainage. All right, so we're going to take, for our sun pot, we have the thriller, and that's going to go right there in the middle. I'm just going to work that in a bit, and then you want to loosen up the roots just a little.
I'm learning so much.
Set that in there. You don't want it even with the lip of the pot. You want it sunk down just a little bit. That will make your watering easier because you can fill it up to where you've left that gap, and the water can soak in. So there we got our thriller, and here's our filler. Again, I'm going to break up these roots a little bit just to kind of help it get in here and fit right like I want to. Don't worry, you're not going to hurt the plant. They kind of like it. All right, and let's have that other one.
All righty.
Okay. See the root ball? You kind of squish that a little bit. Get in there and get your hands dirty. And then our spiller. I don't think we're going to use this one.
Okay.
Yeah, I changed my mind on that one. And feel free to edit and change as you go.
Right.
It's all part of the creative process. All right, so we got that. And then we have this lovely spilling petunia.
So it looks like we're adding something else. Is this part of our filler?
Yes, this dusty miller is just adding a bit of a different texture, a different color. You want to think about that, like not all the leaves are the same shade green, all the leaves are a little bit different. It just makes it a little more interesting. These are some more spillers. This is trailing variegated oregano, and it's going to go in here on the other side of these. Let's add some organic. This is organic. It's made with chicken waste and other things, so it's never going to burn my plants. It's amazing stuff. It's safe for pets and children. Just put a little bit of that around the top up here.
Beautiful. And do we start watering?
If you want to start watering.
Okay, is there a technique for this?
Just pour.
To make it easy and convenient, you can shop online at abloomgardencenter.com. And remember, orders over $100 or more get free delivery within 7 miles of their store. All right, we're going to get this thing watered, y'all. You know where to go for all of your gardening needs. We are right here at A Bloom Garden Center. Thank you so much, Noelle.
You're welcome. Thank you.
That was so much fun. All the folks who work there are so fantastic. Also, just a heads up, that was filmed a couple weeks before this pandemic started, but it is good timing with a lot of people at home right now.